Summer health tips. 1. Wear white clothes or light shaded colors while going out in daylight. They will reflect more heat than dark-colored clothes. 2. If you are about to travel in your car and car is parked and open in direct sunlight, then open the all doors and let the super hot air in car, it is at higher temperature than normal outside air, go out by keeping doors open for some time, 15 to 20 seconds. 3. If you own a car with less than 1,200 cubic centimeters engine, turn AC off when you want to overtake a long truck. It increases torque on wheels and so the acceleration. You can also do this while climbing uphill. Try this and you don't have to push accelerator to its limit. 4. Paint your rooftop white, any white cement will do. Sun rays are reflected back and your house is cool by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius than before. You can feel the difference if you try to walk barefoot on the painted rooftop. 5. Fit outdoor unit of split AC where there is a more shadow and temperature is relatively less. Direct sunlight and exposure to hot air decreases heat rejection to the surrounding. 6. Don't use desert coolers in closed room. A small opening, ventilation for giving a way to pass the hot air out, of about a size of A4 paper is must-have for a normal room. Try to keep this opening as high as possible in room. 7. Check air pressure in your vehicle tires. Try to keep the air pressure a bit less by 2 to 3 psi than desired value, especially if you can see cracks in your tire. Don't fill air in the morning and ride long distances on highways with 8. Don't try to experiment with your body limits by doing endurance activities like running, cycling, football in noon. Carry water with salts and glucose if you still want to do them. 9. If you want to travel in a local bus, take middle seat to protect yourself from direct sunlight and hot air. Sometimes you might lose sceneries though. 10. Spill some water on your motorcycle seat and let it dry. It will dry instantly though, before going for a drive. You can prevent your ass from barbecued. 11. Use plastic pipes instead of GI pipes in water fittings. They don't allow the water to reach high temperature. 12. Drink a lot of water wherever it is available. Easiest way to survive without problems in summer. It is not a hack but a need of our body. 13. Eat plenty of ice cream and try different homemade milk shakes and fruit juices to enjoy the heat. 14. Please keep a small water-filled earthen bowl or any bowl for birds and animals around your house. It is humble request. Save nature.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.